In this video, I will show you how to retouch photos using frequency separation technique in just 2 simple steps. Without much ado, let's jump right into it. This video is brought to you by Brandon Graphics channel and my name is Vincent Annie. Today we are going to use frequency separation technique to retouch this photo in 2 simple steps. We will first remove the blemishes such as pimples and other skin imperfections. And to do that, we select the background layer and duplicate by pressing Ctrl J or Command J on your keyboard. While layer 1 is selected, we will choose some tools from the retouching panel. For example, the spot healing brush tool and the patch tool. In this case, we are going to use the patch tool. Make sure your setting is on New Selection and destination is not your mode. Choose Source. Now draw around the blemish and drag it to the clean area. And that's it. Continue doing that until all the blemishes are completely patched. That's why it's called the patch tool. This image will definitely not be perfect after removing the skin imperfections, but it's going to really improve. And that's why there is step 2. I am going to be speeding up this video because I don't want it to be unnecessarily long.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young, it has just begun. She puts her hand in.
This is before and after. We are going to proceed to the frequency separation. I would like to duplicate layer 1. Just in case I mess up the frequency separation, I will still have the clean up image in layer 1. Now let's turn off our backup layers. Duplicate layer 1 copy and change its name to low. This is going to be our color layer. And layer 1 copy 2 to high. This is going to be our texture layer. Layers low and high are for frequency separation. You might as well group them now and name them frequency separation. Or you can group them later. Turn off layer high and select layer low. Now go to Effect and select Gaussian Blur. Slide the reduce bar back to the beginning and start sliding forward bit by bit until the point where the scars from the blemishes we removed begin to disappear. Let's leave it at 8.2. Turn on layer high. Go to image, apply image and adjust these settings. Select layer low. Channel, select RGB. Blending mode will be subtract. Do not tick the box for invert. While layer high is still selected, change the blending mode to linear light. Now turn off the texture layer so we can work on the color. We are going to use the mixer brush tool to smoothen the skin. Please pay close attention to the settings. Make sure hardness is 0. Select clean brush. Select not this one, but that one. Slide this down to say 11. Move this up to 78. Crank this up to 96. Flow is 100. Leave this at 10 and angle is 2. Do not check this box, otherwise mixer brush will sample the texture layer. Before we start mixing, recognize that there are different shades of color on this image. We have the highlights, the midtones, and the shadows. If I am painting the highlight, I concentrate on the highlight area. When I'm done, I lift my brush before painting other areas. So you don't muddle up the textures. You keep increasing and reducing your brush size according to the size of the area you want to paint. To increase your brush size, press Ctrl or Command plus the right square bracket. And to decrease your brush size, press Ctrl or Command plus the left square bracket.
Our hearts beat to the city streets.
If you end up liking this video, please create a playlist on your YouTube home and save it for future references. And don't forget to like, hit the notification bell, and subscribe for more videos like this.
Take us higher. The night's young, and it's just begun.
Pay attention to the transition points and carefully blend them skillfully.
Chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild.
If it's looking plastic-like, it's because the texture layer is turned off. By the time the texture layer is turned on, the two layers will blend properly.
The laughs so loud as the hours pass. We're gonna do it all again. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. The moonlight, summer sky, it was the best we ever had. And we'll stay young forever. We'll never have regrets. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. We're gonna be. We're gonna be two hearts running wild.
Now we can group the two layers, and if you like, name it frequency separation.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to
Turn on the background layer so we can see the before and after.
rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young, and it's just
To fine tune, use the lasso tool to select a portion of the image like this. Go to filter and add Gaussian blur. Select right click and apply Gaussian blur.
the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild.
Press Ctrl D to deselect. Here is before and after. And if you want to refine the image further, you go to filter and use camera raw, or you can even go to the adjustment panel and use color balance to adjust the image. I really appreciate you are watching this video, and I would like to know if you find it interesting. Please take a moment to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.